Hello, David here, and the project for today is making cheese jalapeno rice casserole. Recipe calls for 2.5 cups of cooked rice, 24 ounces of sour cream, 16 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese shredded, 1 large onion diced. I decided to saute it because I thought putting onions in a casserole, they may be too raw. 3 hot jalapeno peppers. Instead of peppers, I'm using a can of diced jalapenos, 4 ounces. 1 can of whole kernel corn, use all the juice. I'm using a can of golden hominy because I prefer hominy. I don't know, maybe it might destroy the whole thing. Salt and pepper to taste. I think there's going to be enough pepper in there from the jalapeno, and I never cook with salt. I figure people could use a salt shaker and add salt if they need salt. That's what happens when you get old. You kind of become intolerant of salt. Anyway, I'm going to combine all the ingredients. For the rice, I used 1 cup of dry brown rice. So brown rice requires more water, so I had to use a little more water, and maybe I overcooked it a little because it's kind of mushy, but yeah, who's going to notice? So I shredded all the cheese. Come on out of there. It's kind of recalcitrant. There we go. Goes the onions. Jalapenos, hominy, yeah, the top of the can adds iron, it's good for you. Did I mention 24 ounces of sour cream? If not, 24 ounces of sour cream. Stir it up real good. Yeah, by looking at this you think it'd be murder to stir it, but it's not so bad because it's got enough liquid in there that makes it easy to stir. I really don't know what size pan to use for this. I'm thinking it might fit into 2 8-inch pans, so let me get started with an 8-inch pan. So put some oil on the sides and the bottom of the pan. Okay, here's my second 8-inch pan. No, it looks like you got more stuff than will fit in the pan, but actually it doesn't go as far as you think it does. Okay, cooking time is 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I cooked them for 35 minutes because I wanted to get a little more browning on the edges. See if it's hot in the middle. Oh yeah. Need to try this. Came out very tasty, and it's very spicy. It doesn't need any salt or pepper, so I'm glad I didn't add any. And the hominy gives it a very nice texture. I like it better than the corn. So I hope you guys can try it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.